Greetings of the day, students. My name is Devan Sharma, as we have earlier met before. So in my last session, I have told you how we have to formalize the rule chart of active passive. So today, I'm going to teach you each and every aspect from step by step. So let's start with present indefinite one. So as you can see here, we have written object plus is are plus V3 plus by plus subject. So this is the rule of present indefinite. Now let's convert it into the passive one. Let's take an example. For example, he eats the food. So it would be like in the passive one, the food is eaten by him. So as you can see clearly, the food, it is object, then we have used is, then we have used V3, third form of eat, it would be eaten. Then after that we have used by over there, then we have the subject as well. So it is the rule of present indefinite one. Now after that, let me teach you the present continuous one as well. Now, object plus is oblique m oblique are plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Again, let's see how we have to convert this into the passive one. For example, let's take the same example over here. He is eating the food. Now let's convert it into the passive one. So it would be like the food is being eaten by him. Now let's understand this. So you can see object, we have used the food, then is, then after that we have used being over there, then the third form of eat, that is eaten, and again we have used by over there, then you can see subject as well, like him. Now let me teach you the rule of present perfect one. Let's take the same example. Now let's convert it into the passive one. Here you can see the food has been eaten by him. Now let me tell you the rule of it. So the rule of perfect one will be object plus has or have been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Here you can see clearly the food is our object, then we have used the has, then after that we have used been, and after that V3, that is eaten. Then after that we have used by, then again subject, that is him. So students, this was the present rule of active passive one. If you just want to learn more, then just continue with us and like the video. Thank you so much.